Okay. So, again, before the presentation, we need to begin your presentation preparation by ensuring a deep understanding of your research. Be ready to present a concise overview of your thesis, including its background, objectives, and significance. This will help you set the stage for a clear and engaging presentation. Consider the background and expertise of your audience. Tailor your content to their level of understanding, ensuring that you strike a balance between technical details and accessible explanation. This will help you connect with your audience and maintain their interest. No? You need to organize your content in a logical and coherent manner. No? Clearly define the introduction, methodology, results, discussion, and conclusion. This structure helps your audience follow your presentation easily and enhances the overall flow of information. Use visual aids such as slides, graphs, and charts, no, to illustrate key points. Ensure that these visuals are clear, concise, and directly related to the content you are discussing. Additionally, prepare supporting materials such as handouts for those who may want, no, to delve deeper into your research. During the presentation, project confidence, no, by maintaining good posture, making eye contact, and using a clear and steady voice. Confidence not only makes you more credible, but also helps, no, in keeping the audience engaged throughout your presentation. Employ audience engagement techniques to keep the presentation dynamic. Post questions, share anecdotes, or use real-world examples to make your research relatable. Encourage questions from the audience to foster interaction and demonstrate your expertise. Coordinate your verbal presentation with visual aids effectively, but avoid clutter or on slides and use visuals to complement your spoken words. Now, each visual should add value to your narrative, no, aiding in better understanding rather than overwhelming the audience. Be adaptable during the presentation, ready to adjust to unexpected situations or questions. During the Q&A session, listen carefully to each question, respond thoughtfully, and be open to constructive feedback. If a question is particularly challenging, acknowledge it and express your willingness to explore the topic further. After the presentation, seek feedback from peers, mentors, or audience members. Reflect on the feedback received to identify areas of strength and involvement. Continuous improvement is a key aspect of refining your presentation skills. Take advantage of post-presentation networking opportunities. Exchange contact information with interested individuals and be prepared to discuss your research in more detail. Networking can lead to valuable connections, collaborations, and future opportunities. Conclude your presentation by expressing gratitude to your audience for their time and attention. Okay? Provide contact information or resources for those interested in further discussion. A courteous conclusion leaves a positive impression and invites future engagement. By incorporating these tips into your preparation and presentation strategy, you can enhance the effectiveness of your thesis or research presentation and create memorable experience to your audiences.